Hello, beautiful ones. Today we unlock the secret to vibrant energy and embark on a journey to see how the vibrance of our magic rests on the quality of one's personal energy. This is a fascinating topic that delves into the very essence of our being and the universe's mysteries. Imagine your personal energy as a radiant, shimmering light within you. This light, your inner magic, is influenced by your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Just like how a garden flourishes with care, your energy thrives on positivity and mindfulness. First, let's talk about vibration. Everything in the universe vibrates at different frequencies. High vibrations are associated with positive states like love, joy, and gratitude, while low vibrations are linked to negative states like fear, anger, and sadness. Your personal energy, your magic, resonates at these frequencies. When you cultivate high vibrations, your magic shines brighter, becoming more powerful and vibrant. Next, consider the auras, the energy field surrounding you. A clear, bright aura indicates strong, positive energy, while a dull, murky aura suggests blockages and negativity. To keep your aura vibrant, practice regular energy cleansing. This can be as simple as spending time in nature, meditating, or engaging in creative activities that bring you joy. Another crucial aspect is intentional living. Be mindful of your thoughts and actions. Your intentions shape your reality. When you act with love and kindness, you send ripples of positive energy into the universe, which in turn enhances your personal magic. Self-care is essential too. Nourish your body with healthy food, exercise, and adequate rest. Remember, a healthy body supports a vibrant spirit. Surround yourself with positive influences and let go of anything that drains your energy. Lastly, let's not forget the power of connection. We are all interconnected, and our energies influence each other. Engage with those who uplift and inspire you. Share your light and allow others to share theirs with you. This mutual exchange of positive energy amplifies your personal magic exponentially. In essence, the vibrance of your magic is a reflection of the quality of your personal energy. Cultivate positivity, embrace intentional living, practice self-care, and cherish your connections. By doing so, you'll notice your inner light shining brighter, your magic growing stronger, and your life becoming more harmonious and fulfilled. Remember, you are a powerful being of light and magic. Nurture your energy and let your magic illuminate the world. Thank you for joining me today. Stay radiant and keep shining your beautiful light. Until next time, blessed be.